Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo, and on today's video I want to show you guys how to withdraw money from your Forex account to your Mpesa account. So if you have money on your MT4 or MT5 platforms, you've been trading and you've made some money and you need to withdraw those funds, don't worry, just follow this guide to withdraw your money. So what you need to do to withdraw money from your Forex account is very simple. Once you've logged into your Forex account, this is the area that you'll be using to manage your funds. Remember that in Forex, we have two different platforms. One is the broker platform, like what you see on the screen right now, where you only manage your funds and where you can deposit and withdraw your funds. Then we have the platform that now you use for trading. Those accounts, we call them the MT4 platforms and the MT5 platforms. So in case you want to make a deposit to your MT4, MT5 platforms to begin trading on Forex, then you will need to click on this deposit button here. You need to click on that deposit button, choose the amount you want to deposit. Okay, so let's see all the deposit methods that are available. We have Mpesa by DoSuPay and we have Mpesa by iPay. And you can also pay via Skrill and Netella. So for the purpose of this video, we'll use the DoSuPay method. You just enter the amount you wish to deposit. For example, for this method, the minimum deposit is 600 bob. So after you've done that, you choose if you want to deposit with Mpesa, with Equitel or with Airtel Money, and click on deposit. After you've done that, you need to enter the number that you want to deposit from, then click on deposit. So what will happen is very simple. You will be redirected to this other page where you can continue with the payments by approving the payment through the push notification that has been sent to your phone. So once you've made that deposit, your deposit will reflect here, and that is not all. Your deposits will still be on the account where you manage funds. So now if you want to trade with Forex, you need to now come to this end, transfer funds. You need to click on transfer funds and choose where you want to send funds to. For example, you can send from your wallet, assuming you made the deposit. You can send from your wallet to your MT4 or MT5 account. So now if you look at the MT5 account right now, my MT5 account has 64.26 US dollars. I transferred $33 from this account to MT5, traded with it, made some profits, and now I need to withdraw. So what I'll need to do is to click on transfer again, choose the account that I want to transfer from, then choose where I want the money to go. So I'm transferring from MT5 to my client area. That is for withdrawal. You transfer from your MT5 to your client area. If you want to deposit, you will transfer from your account to MT5. Okay, so now I want to withdraw. I go from MT5 to my wallet. So how much do I want to get from that? So my MT5 account has 64.26 US dollars. So I want to withdraw everything from that account. So I've just keyed in everything that I want to withdraw. I'll click on transfer and confirm that. So I'll receive 7,557 from that, and I only made a deposit of $33. Okay, so the transfer was successful. Let's see if it reflects. So it has already reflected on this end. So the next thing that we need to do is to now transfer that money from this account to my Mpesa account. So in Forex, all the withdrawals that are made before 10 a.m. server time are processed within the same day. So it means that if I want to receive this money today, then I have to withdraw right now before 10 a.m. server time. If I withdraw later than that, then that withdrawal will be processed tomorrow. So I'll just click on withdraw. I'll click on withdraw and choose one of these methods to withdraw my money. So which one do I go for? Do I go for local payments or do I go for DoSuPay? So I've tried DoSuPay in the past. Let's try iPay for today and see what happens. So how much do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw 7,557.21. Let's see if we can withdraw everything from that account and how long it will take. So we'll use mobile money and we want to transfer to my mobile number 2547. So the channel that we want to use is Mpesa. Okay, reason for the transaction: we want to withdraw funds. They want to confirm my date of birth, so I'll just do that. I was born on Sunday, on 25th, the month of August. The year will be concealed. The year will be concealed. 25th August, on a Sunday. Okay, so my HF password. So they're saying the withdrawal can take up to 24 hours, which is a very, very long time, but we'll just withdraw anyway, because we need to see how long it takes to receive funds from these people. Okay, so everything has been cleared from the account, so an email confirmation has been sent for those funds. So we'll just wait and see how long it takes to receive funds from Forex if we withdraw via iPay. Okay, so that is it. That is how to withdraw money from Forex to your Mpesa account. Remember that if you have funds on the MT5 or MT4 platforms, then you need to first transfer those funds from MT5 or MT4 platform to your local area, to your member area on Forex before you transfer to Mpesa. Okay, again, just for recap, if you missed that, just click on transfer funds, then transfer from whichever wallet you're holding your money on. For example, mine was on MT5, so I'll just click on MT5 and choose my wallet as where I want the funds to be transferred. Then you enter the amount you want to transfer and click on transfer funds. It's as simple as that, and that is how easy it is to transfer money from Forex to Mpesa. And remember that Forex is one of the regulated brokers that we have on the Kenyan market. It's amongst the 7 regulated brokers that we have in Kenya. So on my next video, I'll do a video on the 7 regulated brokers that we have in Kenya. And remember that if you create an account with Forex, with the link on the description of this video, then if you need free training on how to trade Forex, then you can visit Forex in Westlands at their offices for free training from Monday to Friday. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.